This is the Kabgard Headache Rack from Byers Products. Kabgard is a sleek, multifunctional accessory for pickup trucks. We build and powder coat each rack in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Northeast Ohio. This guarantees that every Kabgard is made right and ready to work as hard as you do. The rack features high-quality, 2-inch tubular steel construction designed to handle anything you throw at it. Kabgard lets you mount lights and other accessories without drilling holes in your cab or damaging your truck. It also provides a convenient and sturdy tie-down point, making it easy to secure ladders, long boards, or other cargo without the need for a full-blown ladder rack. Add an optional tool holder to keep your hand tools organized and easy to access. And don't worry, you don't have to choose between your headache rack and your toolbox. Kabgard easily accommodates crossover toolboxes. No need to compromise. It's also super easy to install. Just clamp it to your truck and you're ready to go. No drilling required. Thanks for checking out the Kabgard Headache Rack from Byers Products. Check the description below or visit byersproducts.com for more info. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Byers Products YouTube channel for more.